Rise of the Rainstorm. It's raining, so yeah. It's starting to come down, so we're on part 8 of Rise of the Rainstorm, so yeah. And look at those raindrops. So this is what it's gonna happen for a couple, like 1 or 2 days, and then for a while it's not gonna rain. But enjoy it, because enjoy this. So remember that, guys. Enjoy it. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. If you guys enjoyed these videos about Rise of the Rainstorm Part 8, let me know. If you want to see more videos just like this one, let me know. Like, subscribe, and more. And I'll make more videos just like this one, guys. And I hope y'all have a good day and drive safely, because it's going to be a wet, wet day. So, alright, guys. Hopefully I see y'all later. Bye! And we're about to do our Research Tree the movie for Movie Monday. So yeah, stay tuned. See you later. Bye.